Welcome back to Island Report. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been gaining a lot of interest lately: investing in gold and silver. With the global economy facing ups and downs, many people are looking to gold and silver as a safe haven for their wealth. But what are the benefits? What are the downsides? And what's the difference between holding physical metals versus paper options? Let's break it all down for you. Alright, let's start with the pros of buying gold and silver. Both metals have been considered valuable for thousands of years, and they're known as safe haven assets for good reasons. Hedge against inflation: when inflation rises, the value of traditional money falls. Gold and silver, however, tend to retain or even increase their value during these times, helping protect your purchasing power. Portfolio diversification: gold and silver are uncorrelated with many traditional assets, meaning they don't move in the same way as stocks or bonds. This makes them great for diversifying and balancing a portfolio. Global acceptance: these metals are universally valued. No matter where you are in the world, gold and silver are recognized and accepted as a store of wealth. Intrinsic value: unlike paper currency, gold and silver have an intrinsic value. They're rare, used in many industrial applications, and have historical value, which gives them a unique status among other investments. Now, as great as gold and silver sound, there are some downsides you need to be aware of before diving in. Storage and insurance costs: physical gold and silver require safe storage, whether it's a safe at home or a vault in a bank. This can lead to additional expenses, including insurance to protect your assets. Lack of cash flow: unlike stocks or bonds, which can provide dividends or interest, gold and silver don't generate any income. They only appreciate if the market price goes up. Market volatility: gold and silver prices can be quite volatile, especially silver. So, if you're someone who can't stomach fluctuations in value, this might be a consideration. Capital gains tax: in some countries, the sale of gold and silver can trigger a capital gains tax, potentially reducing your overall return on investment. Okay, so you're interested in gold and silver. But should you buy physical metals, like coins and bars, or go for paper assets, like ETFs or mining stocks? Let's look at the differences. Physical gold and silver ownership: with physical gold and silver, you're holding something tangible that you can actually touch. It's an asset you own outright. Privacy: buying physical gold and silver allows for private transactions. Unlike stocks or digital assets, which leave a digital trail, physical metals can be held discreetly. Emergency currency: in extreme situations, physical gold and silver can be used as currency. This is not something you can do with paper gold or silver. Paper gold and silver convenience: buying paper gold, such as ETFs or mining stocks, is much more convenient. You don't need to worry about storage, and you can buy or sell them easily through your brokerage. Liquidity: paper gold and silver assets are highly liquid. You can trade them within seconds during market hours, which isn't the case for physical gold and silver. No physical control: with paper assets, you don't actually own the metal itself. In a crisis, paper gold or silver may not hold the same value as the physical metal. Dividends: for mining stocks, some mining stocks offer dividends, providing an income stream, something you don't get with physical metals. So, what's the takeaway here? If you're looking for security in something you can hold in your hands, physical gold and silver might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you want convenience, liquidity, and an easier buying process, paper gold and silver could be a better fit. Ultimately, it depends on your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and how much effort you're willing to put into managing your assets. A diversified approach can be effective, where you hold both physical and paper forms of precious metals. And there you have it. We hope this video helped clarify the pros, cons, and differences in buying gold and silver. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more investing insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. Are you team physical gold, or do you prefer paper assets?